aggressive with you. I'm just. I do love you
right now.
Ban me. Ban me. Do it.
Tater Joe's.
Don't ban me until we fight, Cake.
Yeah, I think I don't think Trader Joe's sells sesame oil.
Their dick anymore. Oh, maybe it's because they're scared of
You can pay me, and I won't let you lick it.
No, I respect Cake, and I'm a big fan of Cake, but I want Cake to know that I won't back down. I'm not paying you shit, Cake. I respect Cake for correcting me. Somebody needs to correct me when I'm wrong.
Thank you, Pack.
No, don't thank me.
Cake knows about sesame oil, dude.
Cake knows about sesame oil. And I, like, as soon as you said that, I was like, oh yeah, I'm definitely wrong. But I am going to stick with my point, and I am going to defend myself even when I know I'm wrong. Because I'm an American. I'm a big fan of Cake, too.
Yo, this pineapple's smelling fucking good, dude. Dude, I think what did I put in there?
So it tastes better.
I would believe that. I've put sesame oil on my... Never mind.
You lube
on your stream.
You lube it with sesame oil or the teen?
Why am I like this?
I do what I need to do, all right? Sesame oil works. As long as you're not using a rubber, you could use sesame oil.
I'm gonna be honest.
It tastes good.
It smells better than it tastes.
Yeah. No, I mean, it's not too bad. I asked that bitch, I said, you like Korean barbecue? She says, why? I says, get ready. Because I got sesame oil on my cock, you know?
Oh, shit.
You know
what the fuck, dude?
Not for the fellas.
Oh my god, dude.
Depends how much you put in the food count.
That shit just bounced off the stove.
Too much is too much.
Sometimes.
That shit just bounced off the stove. I don't know where it is.
Hell yeah. Oh, I gotta take a picture too. I've been meaning to post more food pictures in my Discord. I'm glad I saw you do it.
What was I about to do? Oh, we got a fucking, thank you, Fire. I love you, Fire.
Oh, fuck. It's Thursday.
Fire's so nice.
I like pineapple.
Thank you for not shooting me, Fire. Alright, I take that back. Listen, dude, I'm gonna be honest. I think my rice is fucked. Yeah, I mean, I thought I could save it, but it's kind of stuck. It's kind of stuck to the foil. Kebabs?
Peel over fireman.
Yo, Kebabs, can you help me with this?
Your rice needs balls. No.
Balls?
Really?
Should we... No, Kebabs can help me with this. Kebabs can help me with this. How do I get this shit off here, dude?
Freeze the rice so it releases.
No, that was the original plan.
Wait, did I never put this shit in the freezer?
No.
You told me to put it in the freezer and never happened it.
Oh, yeah, I'm not in charge of you, man. I'm not in charge of you. I'm just letting you.
Dude, who let me skip that step, dude? The starch stuck.
What I did.
Lol.
I respect your vibe. It's my stream. It's not for me.
Add water.
Don't add
No, we were trying to dry age it.
It's me. I'm gonna bring this. There's people upstairs. I'm gonna bring this food up to them.
Well, your rice is done already.
Have space in your freezer with all
all right, let's get on the taffy, dude.
Dark came out a little dark, but
I mean, I think it was all that Moner Joe sesame oil, dude.
I don't know about that. I'm bringing this up to the people upstairs who are eating. Yeah, and then we can hop on that taffy whenever you're ready.
I got you.
I've got all my shit in place as the translation from French.
Make some melon flavored taffy.